Hey everyone, Jim here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. So Cisco Packet Tracer is a really great piece of software for learning how to build out different networks. In the olden days, before Cisco Packet Tracer, if you wanted to learn how to configure a Cisco switch, Cisco router, oftentimes it would mean buying the real physical equipment. Oftentimes it was expensive, difficult to track down. You'd have to go on third-party sites like eBay and try to buy a lab kit for someone else that just finished a certification, or you go to Cisco directly and spend a lot of money on real equipment just to learn. So the world has moved on and advanced, and now you can actually emulate this real equipment in a virtual lab environment, and it makes it a lot easier and approachable to learn networking from just about anywhere. And the software that's used to do this is called Cisco Packet Tracer. We can download this and install it from the Cisco website. I'm going to walk you through doing this. It's available on Mac, Windows, Linux, just about any type of operating system. If you have a Chromebook, I wouldn't recommend trying to get this to run on a Chromebook. You want a real laptop that can run a real operating system. So I am logged into a virtual machine. I'm just doing this as kind of like a clean slate environment. But again, feel free to install this directly on top of your computer at home. So I'm going to open up my web browser of choice, just the default Microsoft Edge. Go to Google. So google.com. I'm going to search for Cisco Packet Tracer. Select the Cisco Network Academy link at the top. And through this, I can sign up for an account at Cisco via their Skills for All program, which is their free training that anybody can take advantage of, such as ourselves. And I'm going to create an account. So I'm going to say log in. I'm going to sign up for an account. And I'd recommend using your real information for this. I already have a Cisco account, so I'm going to just create a fake secondary account, so not a real account. So sorry, Cisco, if anybody from there is watching. I'm going to create kind of a bogus account. And to do this, I'm going to use a temporary email, or also known as a disposable email. This is going to give me kind of a short-lived email address that only exists while my web browser is open. A website I like for this is called TempMail. Again, if you're planning on using Packet Tracer regularly, please sign up for a real Cisco account. They don't send you that many marketing emails, and it's good to stay in connection with them. But I already have an account, so I'm going to use this as a temporary email. And what's cool about this service is once I'm done, I can just close out this email tab and it's gone for good. All that data is no longer in my real inbox cluttering it up. Cool, so now we have to accept the terms and conditions, so make sure you read over these at your leisure. And I already have, so I'm going to accept those and continue. And now we can find the Packet Tracer software. So they make it a little bit difficult to find the download link, but essentially what we want to do is we want to enroll in a class. So I'm going to search actually just for Packet Tracer. And we want to enroll in the Getting Started with Packet Tracer course. Again, it is completely for free. So get started. And if I scroll down, welcome to Getting Started with Packet Tracer. And we have a link for Packet Tracer. So this link is skillsforall.com/resources/lab-downloads. And it's going to be in here. Again, this URL may potentially change. So again, you can grab it from the Skills for All website by creating an account, logging in, signing up for the Skills for All, getting started with Packet Tracer course, and finding the download link in that location. I'm running Windows, so Windows 64-bit is going to be what I want. There are options for those of you running Mac OS or Linux. It's a relatively small application, just a couple hundred megabytes in size. And you will open it up and follow the installation process as you would expect. Next, next, next. And it'll take, anywhere from 30 seconds to like, I'll say 5 minutes to install. Of course, depending on the speed of your computer. So the nicer, newer computer you have, the faster it will install. We'll give it another minute or so. We're almost there. And it took like another 30 seconds. I paused the video as it was installing, but it is now done. All right, so click finish. It's going to launch Packet Tracer automatically. And it's up to you if you want to select yes or no. I'll select yes for sure, whatever reason. And it's going to have us sign into Packet Tracer. And yeah, we can allow the firewall rule. And we're going to sign in for Skills for All. So again, not Networking Academy, Skills for All. And then we got to open up our browser. Sign back into Skills for All. And just like that, we are in Packet Tracer. If you do not sign into Packet Tracer, you are only going to be able to save your project files a couple of times before that functionality is going to stop working. So I would highly recommend for you to sign up for a Skills for All account and sign into Packet Tracer. So that's it for this short video. And future videos, I'm going to show you some cool things you can do with the software. But I just wanted to show you how to find it, create an account, get it installed, because I know that can be a challenge on its own. So if you made it this far and you have Packet Tracer up and running, good work. You are ready for the next step. So I'll see you in the next video.